Hello there. So welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so today I welcome you all to a new and fresh episode on my humble, noble platform. You know how we do it. Yeah. So I'm about to do exchange to exchange arbitrage using the boat. Yeah, so before I do, let me go to the boat and let me show something. So if I come to the boat, you can see that I'm using this one, the USD BMT. They say I should buy it on Bybit and sell it on XT. Yeah. So when the boat give you a signal like this, you see it's a boat and it gives you more than 300 signals per day. So when it gives you the signal, you have to apply the fall method. So when the fall method is okay, then you initiate the trade. That is why all my students, when I give them the boat, I told them these things. Yeah, there are some things that you have to consider before you want to initiate the trade. Yeah, at times you say that something like BNT here, BNT there, maybe it's not the same. How will you know? You said that then. So we don't rush to do trade. There are things involved for you to learn. That is why I always say that you need a mentor that can help you. Don't think that you can learn it on your own. No, you can't learn it on your own because there are certain things that you will need to know. I hope you understand. Yeah. So the boss has been giving me this signal for me to trade. Yeah. So it say BMT USDT, right? So yeah, so this one is XT, and you can see XT here. This is the BMT, and here too, this is the BMT. As the both give, it's cool. Yeah. So then I will apply the fall method, but in this video I will not apply any fall method. I will not apply it. If you want me to apply it, you pay for the mentorship, then I will apply it. And if you also need the boat, it's just $50. You buy the boat. I will show you how to use the boat to get your signals and how to know that the coins are the same and stuff because it's a boat. Yeah. So I'll teach you everything. Yeah. So you can see that on Bybit, this is the BMT, and the BMT rate is here 0.0613 as the bot said. And on XC, this is the BMT. Yeah. And the BMT rate is for 3.01, right? Yeah. So before I will do a trade, I will apply the fall method, but because this one is a tutorial videos and I'm just doing it for you to all to see that we have types of arbitrage, and it's not only the black market, we have exchange to exchange, we have a lot, and people have been telling me that, bro, we need exchange to exchange that comes with huge profit and stuff. Yeah, I will show you how to do it. At times you will watch the videos and you will try to do it and it will not work because there are 4 factors that you have to put in place before you initiate every trade. Yeah, and that one every mentor will not tell a common student. That one is facts. And if you think I'm lying, you can do it. Yeah. So I'll buy it from the Bybit and I'll come and sell it on the XT. Yeah. So I'll go to buy. So this one, you can see that my account, I have 110 USD. Yeah, so this one is for a beginner. So beginner who has $50, I will get 816. And when you're doing the trade, we have a place to put it. You see that here is unlimited here. Yeah, so all these things, they count. The market conditional. So when doing arbitrage, we have a place that you have to put it. We don't trade on limits of BMT. Yeah. So if I come here, because here the rate over here is 3.011. It means that if I'm selling it on XT, I'll be making more profit. I'll understand. I'm making more profit. I understand. Yeah, I'm making more profit. So if I come here and I place it over here, then I'll sell it over here. You see that thing? I'll sell it over here. And in every trade, when you are placing it, you have withdrawal fee and trading fee. That one you have to put in mind. Because some people, they don't put, because some people, they don't put that thing in mind. And they will do the trade finish and they will be like, bro, I did the trade and like I lost money inside because you didn't apply these things. You didn't do this math very well. You didn't withdraw your trading fee and your withdrawal fee from it. Before you do everything, make sure that you do your math also. Yeah, and it can be that, let me show you one mistake that we do. It can be that the boats, or I just got this signal from here, BMT over here, and this BMT, and at the end, it will not be the same. How will you know? You see that thing? Yeah, so it's not every day that I'm teaching you the correct. At times too, I have to let you know that we have a lot of risks in this business, and you can't do it on your own, or else you'll be losing money and you'll be saying that crypto is not helping me, crypto is not doing this, crypto is not doing that. You see that thing? Yeah. So at times you can get a name of a coin. Let's say this BMT and on X is BMT, but at the end, I would apply the four things and the coin will not be the same. I hope you understand. Yeah. So at times, education is good. That is why I always say to people that don't be in rush to get the money. Get the knowledge first. If you get the knowledge first and you know what you're doing, making money at a rate is very easy. You see that? Making money at a rate is very easy because you know what you are doing and you know what you are signing in for. I will do video, I'll post it, and I'll see people be using the signal. You see that thing? And that's not good. Because this signal, maybe you use it and it will not work. You see that thing? That's what I'm saying, that after getting the signal from the boats, you just have to apply the four method. And that's it. And the boat gives more signals. It gives more signals. I just choose this just to frustrate people who don't want to learn. I just chose this coin to frustrate people who don't want to learn. You see that thing? So it's good for you to get education and the rest will follow. You see that thing? So in this case, coins like this, you can easily use it to flip small money to bigger money. And one thing about exchange to exchange that I love very much is that when you spot the opportunity, you can do as many as you want. Yeah, you can do as many as you want. When you spot the opportunity, you can do as many as you want. Yeah, so this exchange to exchange arbitrage, and this video also is here for you to know that there are a lot of things involved in exchange to exchange arbitrage that you need to learn. I hope you understand. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out. So if you want to learn much more about this, I'm the right person for you to consult, and I will guide you, try my best to let you know everything, if only you are patient to follow the process. Don't rush to make money, rush to get the knowledge, and the knowledge will give you more money. I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out.